Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that gold price is on new all-time high. Then the second thing I would like to discuss that the European Central Bank also raises rates by 25 basis points, so just like the Fed did on this week. And the third topic is all about that US court orders SEC to respond to Coinbase now in 10 days to clarify the situation. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every day you're getting fresh crypto, blockchain, economy related videos here on this channel. So if you'd like to keep yourself up to date in these topics, then definitely subscribe. And if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating, then hit the like button. So let's start today's show. And as usual, for the start, we should definitely check out the market, how it behaves. And we can see that Bitcoin, it's holding itself above 29,000 right now with 123 US dollar. This is a 0.4% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum just behaving the same. The price is right now 1,905 US dollar. When we're looking at here, the top gainers, not big ones, BitDAO up 3%, VU Network 1.5%, and Toncoin 1.5%. Rather losers, but not big losers. Tax is down 7%, Lido down 6%, Render token 5%. And when we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see here on the daily that this triangle is formed, and sooner or later a breakout it's coming, probably. It looks like here this was a nice try today so far, but now we were rejected. But we will see that it really happens, and it will be confirmed, and will be there a breakout to the upside or to the downside. So we will see anyway. And now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about gold, because gold price has reached its new all-time high. So when we're looking at here the gold chart, actually let's share the screen. Here you can see that gold was trying it also here and here. Let me do it here on TradingView. Okay, so when you can see here back in 2011, then we went up here and we couldn't reach 2,000 US dollar then actually per ounce. Then actually for a pretty long time, so roughly speaking here, about 10 years, we had to wait to go to new highs. And this new high was back here in 2020, and then gold went up to 2,075 US dollar. And now the first time after this, so 3 years later about, we have the new all-time high, which is 2,081 US dollar when I'm recording this video. This here is the weekly, because otherwise we had we couldn't really see it pretty well on the 4-hour or on the daily chart if you would like to zoom out in such a big time frame what I have showed you right now. So anyway, it shows that basically the problems what we have with the fiat currencies, the inflation problem, the recession kind of coming, the banking crisis situation, all adds up why actually investors, big, small, doesn't matter, countries accumulating now gold, and this pushing up the price of gold, people looking at as safe haven rather than have it in any kind of fiat currency, which is inflating pretty strong at the moment, even the US dollar or the euro or whatever you're looking at right now. So this is actually big, and I believe that this wasn't the last all-time high for gold in this year, because if we continue just like this, we're going to see higher and higher gold prices, and who knows where the top will be, because this is new all-time high. So we haven't seen gold on higher levels yet, so we don't know what that will be. There are of course predictions, but I don't want to get into that right now. And also Bitcoin, when we compare now Bitcoin is also holding itself pretty well here at 29,000. So why we can see banking stocks going down, so the traditional financial system is kind of in a bad shape. In the same time, gold reaching new all-time high and Bitcoin performing as the best performing asset in this year. So actually, these are all good news for those who holding Bitcoin and actually gold. Right. Now let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is about that the European Central Bank also raised the interest rate this week. So the European Central Bank also raised the interest rate by 25 basis points, so just like the Fed did. Of course, they moving much faster than the Fed. Here you can see it pretty well. The interest rate started to go up here in 2022 in July with a lot of, you can see 50 basis points, and then actually in much faster speed here, and now actually this 25 basis points shows slowing the pace of the hikes a little bit, but still not pause. And they also would like to bring down the inflation to 2%, so this is the goal. And of course, when we're looking at here the levels, that the rate it's not as high as in the United States, but they're moving up quite fast. But now they slow down a little bit. But anyway, 25 basis points increase in the United States, 25 basis points here in Europe by the European Central Bank. So this is in this way at least pretty similar. So anyway, the direction is the same. Okay, and now the third topic, it's all about that the US court now orders SEC to respond to Coinbase allegations within 10 days. So let's talk about that. Okay, so here we have, let's share the screen. So we do know that kind of SEC attacked in a way that the Coinbase, but not being clear about it, what they really should do. And of course, Coin is fed up with the whole situation and said, okay, just then tell me what I have to do exactly. So how is it with the, with the security laws and all these kind of things? So now, officially, the US court orders the SEC to respond to Coinbase, and they have actually 10 days. So Coinbase last week argued that the SEC is providing insufficient regulatory guidance for the US companies operating in the crypto sector. So this is what they're saying, and that's why they asking the SEC. And now they ordered by the US court to do so. So the SEC has been ordered by the US court to respond to cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase's complaint over how it applies security laws to digital assets. So yeah, and actually they have now 10 days, the SEC. And Coinbase may then file a response 7 days thereafter. And I'm actually curious that will they actually now, the SEC, step back or clarify a couple of things which can help actually other crypto companies based in the United States find directions in this mess what we're having right now, because there is definitely an unclear situation about the regulation when it comes to cryptocurrencies, security, not security, commodity, not a commodity, and so on and so forth. So now the SEC is forced to make a move, and we will see what it will be. Anyway, when it comes out, I will let you know. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day you're getting also short videos, not just these long videos. And if you'd like to keep yourself up to date in crypto, blockchain, economy, then definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel Blockchain Bloom, because every day you're getting these information. And with those, you can stay up to date. I think that's very important. If you like this kind of content, what I'm creating, then hit the like button. I wish you a great weekend and see you in the next video.